Hi, I'm Andrei Mincov, the founder of Trademark Factory, and in this video I'm going to share my thoughts about yet another trademark screw-up. This time around, it's Vans going after Primark sneaker knockoffs. Alright, you may be thinking it's a replay because I've just commented on a very similar case that Vans brought against Target. So that's not it. It's a different one. It's a different sneaker. It's a different defendant. So let me read from the article and you'll see the link in the description below. Irish retailer Primark has said it plans to defend its position against a lawsuit by US footwear maker Vans. The company has alleged Primark, which trademarks as pennies in the Republic of Ireland, copied its sneaker design. The lawsuit alleges trademark infringement, unfair competition, and false advertising. Papers were filed in a New York federal court last month. In a statement to Newstalk.com, Primark said, "We disagree with the allegations by Vans and we plan to defend our position." So Vans here on the left and Primark here on the right. Okay, pretty similar. Vans claimed Primark's actions have caused injury to plaintiff Vans within the state of New York and the Eastern District of New York. Vans said its side stripe trademark has been in place since at least as early as the 70s, which it claims Primark has copied. The company also said it has used a waffle pattern on the sole of the shoes since as early as 1966. Again, it claimed this aspect has been used by Primark in its product. The 32-page document cites 6 claims for relief, including trademark infringement, unfair competition, false advertising, and unfair and deceptive trade practices in New York. All right, you can finish the article yourself. Here's what I think about it. I think it's very similar to the Target case, where yes, there is a bunch of similarity between the two shoes, especially if you put them side by side. But the question is, are those similarities because it's a knockoff, or are those similarities because this is just the type of a sneaker, a gym shoe? Aren't they all the same? And at some point, you can see a lot of similarities between Vans and, let's say, Converse, right? But these two can coexist. And so the question always is there something in the middle of these that people can also use to be their own brand, right? There's only so many ways you can do a gym shoe that is black with some white accents on it. And so interestingly, so Vans say, yeah, we've owned this stripe, right? This stripe or this stripe. So the Primark stripe is different, right? And so the question is, do Vans own the idea of a stripe, or do they own a certain shape of that stripe? And to what extent has Primark infringed? And I mean, look, I can sympathize with Vans because they're put between a rock and hard place. If they go out and defend their trademarks and they sue everybody right and left, everybody starts accusing them of being trademark bullies. And if they don't do that, if they don't enforce their mark, if they don't defend it, then what's going to happen? Then everybody's going to start putting up their own shoes that copy Vance's even more, right? They become replicas and knockoffs. And very soon, the question as to what's a generic part of the shoe and what is distinctive to Vans will be solved very simply. There will be nothing distinctive about a Vans shoe if Vans don't defend their mark. So they have to do that. And I would think, both the Target case and Primark case will probably settle at some point, and we'll see how this goes. And it would be interesting if either Target or Primark are stubborn enough to actually want to go the full distance and get the judgment. And if we get to that point, I'll be sure to cover this. I hope you found this video useful and interesting. And if you did, subscribe now, get notified whenever the next video goes live. Click that bell button and you'll hear back from me tomorrow, because we post these videos every day, Monday to Friday. And you can be sure that if there's a trademark screw up, if there's a trademark update, you'll be the first to hear about it. Now, if you got a brand you want to protect, go to trademarkfactory.com, book a call with our strategy advisors, and they will be happy to answer your questions, to hear your story, and help you protect your brand, help you secure your legacy. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.